Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Yay! So guys, I put Abori's garden today, and this is day 3 of me in Ghana. So you guys will be coming along with me, and I think we'll do something like zip lining or something, but I'm not sure yet. But you guys will just come along with me on this adventure. So guys, we are currently at the Aboro garden. Yes, Aboro, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. That's where we are right now. Go!
Papa, it's a language I'm for I realize that
the next day.
Guys, we are going on a cruise, and yeah. Right now we are boarding to the cruise of life. This literally smells like fish.
you are scared. Don't be.
Maybe they just get scared. Guys, basically there's going to be a lot of muted sound because there was a lot of background sound, so to avoid copyright I muted a lot of these videos. Yeah, I'm so pained. Like, there are more clips than this, but I had to remove because I don't want to bore you guys with me just not doing so much, and there was music in the background that you guys were supposed to listen to, but copyright and everything. So yeah.
I'm a lifesaver diver and a coxswain who was sitting captain to Singapore, almost 49 years experience. Yeah. So we'll be celebrating for being on the job for 49 years. Oh, yeah. These are the controlling gadgets. For the middle here to this side, control the starboard, which is the right side. You have the clutch accelerator, and this is steer. Very tiny but powerful, you can turn 90 degrees. Likewise on the other side. You have a monitor there as well. And wherever you are on board, we see apart from the washroom and the sick bay. On there too, we have our radar. This is the GPS one that gives us around this, what's on the surface of the water. So you can see these are the landmarks. This is the rest of the stuff, so you can see something up there. On top of the water, you see some cork. Yeah. There are ones on the water. It gives you the update of what we are doing. While this one gives you the depth of the water. Okay.
How deep is this lake?
That's what it's doing. 67.9.
67.9
meters.
meters.
So when you want to convert to feet times 3.
Oh, that's
190 something.
Yeah, almost 200.
So.
Walking through this stone path in Dodu Highland. Hopefully I pronounce that. There are animals there. I don't even know which animal. Only dog. This ostrich. I said, you already moved your clothes. for like 4 hours and we are still moving. We are done with the boat ride. We done. We have outside. That mommy did not speak. The fact that mommy did not stand up. Let me catch you.
The next day.
So guys, and we were going back to Nigeria already. Yeah, the enjoyment ended already. Well, I had a great time in Ghana, I'm not going to lie. I had fun and everything. And thank you guys for watching, and yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you guys.